What's up everybody, my name is Pilil and I'm gonna show you how to make a world in VrChat or for VrChat in Unity. So first off, you need to get Unity and you need to get the SDK for Unity so we can make a map working for VrChat. Okay, so I'm gonna provide a link in the description with these links. No, not this link. Here, there we go. So as you can see, there's Unity 5.6.3p1. You need to go download that, sign in, all that shit. Download the VrChat SDK. Once you've done that, you have to open up Unity. Once Unity is started up, you need to press New and 3D, enable Unity Analytic, just call it something, whatever you want. This is gonna be your project. So I'm just gonna call this YouTube Create Project. Once the program has started up, this tab here should probably be over in the left side. So I personally think it looks better over here, so you have a bigger viewpoint. Just gonna scale this down, so you just have a larger screen to do things. So the controls are pretty simple. Hold right click down on your mouse and use A, W, S, and D to move around. E up, Q down, just the basics. So once you have started this up, you just gotta find the way to your SDK file. So I have it in my desktop. So just double click it, and it will unpackage in Unity, and it just pops up this window. Import. It's fairly simple. Map making is not something hard to do. So, yeah, hold on. Gotta wait. So it might take some time, but when it's finally done, we are ready. So now you can see in your assets projects folder down here, or tab, there's a plugins and a VRC SDK. So that's where you're gonna fiddle around with things. So there's nothing here, so let's just create a terrain. So right click under your thingamajig here, 3D object, and terrain. Once you've done that, there should be a huge white plain field. So go up to your inspector in the right corner, go under this thingy here, and down here you can see the terrain. So I'm just gonna take it at 10. That's okay size, I think. So go down to the VR SDK, prefabs, world, and here's all the important stuff. So to figure out the scale of everything, just click and drag a chair down to your world, so you know where like the height and the scale of everything. So let's make a spawn point at first. So there's this thing called VRC world. Just to drop it down in the world, and it should appear somewhere. Where is it? Just select this so we can see. Okay, I think I turned it the right way. We'll never know. So now you have a spawn point down. Let's make a mirror, which is very easy as well. So VRC mirror, just click and drag, and as you can see, it's purple and see-through. So yeah, so now we have this mirror, which is set up. So let's make it so you can toggle it on and off. So right click on the mirror, or left click on the mirror, go up to this thing, right click on it, and 3D object and cube. This cube is slightly too big, so let's just grab this tool here by pressing T, hold shift and click on the corner and rescale it. So let's see yeah, that's a nice cube. Press W without holding anything down to take this tool up. Now we have the cube. Right. So now we need to make it activate and deactivate, like toggle the thing. So select the cube, add component, right trigger, and take the VrC trigger. Now press the custom thing and choose the on interaction, add. Now we need to actions, we need to click the plus sign here, basic events, and you need to choose the set game object active. Now click on the plus, don't click on the plus, click on the set game object, and now we need to choose a thing to pop up and down. So grab the mirror and shove it up here, and before we move on we need to grab the cube and just move right above the mirror so you don't toggle on the cube as well when you press it. So now it's set to toggle the mirror on and off, so let's start with the mirror off by clicking the mirror, VrC mirror, and up onto the inspector, right left for the name, remove the checkbox, and the mirror disappears. And now the cube should toggle it on and off. So let's put something else in here. Let's put in a pickable item. So right click here, tab out of everything, and right click on the thingamajig here. 3D object, cube. Now the cube is beneath everything, just position and just 0, 0, 0. It should end up here. Just gotta drag and drop. And now use the T tool again and make it a bit smaller. Now let's make it so you can pick it up. So add component, special layer. Now you need to add pickup and sync, object sync. Now once all of those are in, alright, so let's go in and test it. So up in your left corner, there's a VrC chat SDK. Right, left click on that and choose the manage upload content. No, don't do that. Show build control panel. Now this window pops up and you just gotta log in. I like to take this and drag it down here next to project, so you just can real quick switch between them and it's not a big fucking window up in your face. So let's just run a test. So under test, you can see new build. So once, yeah, we just gotta name this. So YouTube is, this is the there we go. This is your scene, as it's called, where you will edit it in a project, so you can open the scene up in any project at all. So now we just gotta wait till it builds up the test and opens up VrChat for us. Alright, so now it's done building the test. It can take a while and I prefer to test it up in a different way, but I'm just gonna show this if you prefer doing this instead. So VrChat is loading and now we should spawn. Here we go. So this is our little world. We have this cube which we can pick up, drop, and if we throw it off the map, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Oh, I'm too fat. It does not respawn. I will update you on that. So let's use the toggle mirror. Well, hello there, big fella. So yeah, it toggles on and off. Very handy. This toggle feature I've shown you can be used in many different ways to toggle on other objects you want to spawn in or disappear or whatever. You can really do some detailed shit. So this chair you can sit on as expected. So this is pretty much the basics of using things in here. So people like to have a mirror. I don't really fuck around with mirror that much. But let me show you how to make it so that once you're in VrChat, you can jump in your world at any time or share the world with others. So right beneath publish, there's a right beneath test, there's a publish thing. So just hit new build, and this will make it public for your own VrChat account, so that you can select it and drop a portal to it, but it is private. There's one way to make it public, so it's under the world lists. So yeah, when you get in here, it will open up the games tab over here. Now you just gotta give it a name. Oh, just gonna call it YouTube, and give it a description. Doesn't have to. Approve. And you see this image doesn't really display anything. So go back to scenes and click on the VRC cam. So now you can see a preview down here and see the camera, which way it's facing. So just drag it and rotate it, just to display everything very nicely. Go back to the game once you've positioned your camera as you please, and just press upload. You can also change the capacity of players. So this process is very faster, and it's very easier in my opinion. So I'm gonna start VrChat up and let this upload to my account, which doesn't take that long compared to the test. So it's almost done already. Yeah, there we go, it's done. Now we're just spawning in the VrChat. Alright, there we go. We are in my home. So let's just click escape, worlds, just scroll down to mine, and you'll see all of the worlds you've created. So I have a few already built, but yeah, here's the YouTube one. You can drop a portal if you were that close to spawn as I was, and you can just press go. So as I said, this is not public for everyone to enjoy. This beautiful world I just made, it's only public for you. You can drop a portal, invite people in here, and everything. But yeah, everything works as it should do. So that's how you do that. So you can just keep being inside of the world once you've done this, and when you go to update the world, like make a change. So let's just make something new in here. Let's see, what should I do? Let's make a teleport thing. So let's make another cube. There we go. Let's just drag this up here. Just gotta make it a bit flat. So there's different ways you can use the teleport features. So I'm just gonna use so that when you stand on this, you get teleported. So to start off with, you're gonna make this cube here. You gotta add component, trigger, VRC trigger, custom, change that to on avatar hit, press add, go down here and add a action, basic event, and find the teleport player. Here we go. Click the plus sign. Don't click the plus sign. Click the teleport player, and we see there's a thing here. So just set it as true. Add this. Now we need a exit point. So just highlight the cube. Control C, Control V. Now there's a duplicate. Let's just move it over here, and it automatically has the same features as the other one. So let's make it so when you step on this one, you can teleport here, and vice versa. So just highlight this cube, and you see a none game object. So take the first cube, drag it over here. So now you see there's a line. So now you get teleported here on avatar hit. So let's do the same with the other one. Grab the other cube and shove it down here. So now they should teleport to each other. So let's just upload the world once again. Down here in publish, new build. And it's gonna take not a long time. The only time we can like take some time is if you put in like audio. That can take some time to publish and everything. So once again, it pops up with this configure world. Just it's remember the name, capacity, the image. You can change the image, but you have to go back and rearrange the camera. So I'm just gonna approve this, upload. Now it's uploading file, and we are still in VrChat. Still has the game open. We still have the game open, so we're ready to join this world, which we are already in. There we go. It's done. So here we go. We're in. Just escape worlds. Find the same world you're in right now. You see, we're in here. But when we go join the world, now it will load again. Take some time to load. And once we're in here, you see, now the places are here. So let's just do this. Open the mirror, just because. Let's tap on it. Holy shit! We are stuck in a continuous loop. So don't do what I just did. This will fuck you up. I promise you that. Do not do this. This is very fucked. So as you can see, I just made a fucking bug. So let's change this up to fix it. So instead of doing that, so let's take this cube over here and remove on avatar hit, and just Control C, Control V, and let's. That didn't work. Highlight, Control V, Control C, copy pasta. Take this one, and you will this under the VRC trigger. Take the on avatar hit, add on avatar hit. Yes, please. Add empty. Add one basic event. Teleport player. Click to teleport player. Add this. Set to true. I'm just gonna take. Yeah, we're just gonna. You gotta wait. Gotta take one more, so that you get teleported here. Wait, no, fuck that. Holy shit, I'm fucking everything up. Instead of doing all that mess, just disable this, and now you'll just get teleported. So again, just publish. Doesn't take that long, so that's very handy, I would say. But yeah, I'm finishing up the video now. It's a very simple start to make this. I can show you the asset store where you can get 3D models free and how to implement it, make a mesh collision on them, how to change things in the game like add health and other stuff like that, make a cube that can kill you, make an area that can kill you, or make you lose health. So let's go and check it out. It's very bugged right now. I don't think it. Wait, just gotta respawn. If we can click it fast enough. Fuck. Okay, we're stuck. So these kind of bugs can happen. I've done it multiple times because I wasn't using my brain. Let's just start out VrChat again. So there's no limit to how many times you can publish it like this, where you just can go instantly in. Alright, here we go. Worlds. Gotta find mine. Take the YouTube one. Go. Loading. Alright, let's see if it helped. Now we're gonna press on this and get teleported here. Now it works. To change the position of your spawn, and just rotate the cube at the angle you want to look. And if you want to make it just so you just appear somewhere else without a cube, just make the cube invisible. So just highlight the cube, select the cube, and right next to the name, just click this thing, and now it's just invisible. Wait, no, it's now deactivated. Do not do that. Highlight the cube again. Fuck that. My mistake. Just go under Mesh Render, remove, Box Collider, remove. So there isn't any fucking invisible box you can hit. So here you go. A very nice start to making worlds in VrChat. I can go in with textures and all that in another video if you would like. Before I leave, I just want to tell you to drop a comment if you would like to see a specific way to do something or how to do it. And I want to shout out to one of my all around favorite YouTube channels for VrChat. Let's just find her. There we go. Fruity Pigs. I'm not sure if it's a guy or a girl, but the person who owns the channel makes very good tutorials for VrChat world creating. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this piece of a mess, and I will hopefully see you around. So see you guys later.